Our next question is, in a parallel plate capacitor with air between plates, each plate has an area of 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square and the distance between the plates is 3 mm. Calculate the capacitance of the capacitor if this capacitor is connected to a 100 volt supply. What is the charge on each plate of the capacitor? This is very simple question, formula based questions. No any types of complication in this question. Suppose this is a parallel plate capacitor. This is plate P1 and this is plate P2. And the medium between these two plates is air. Medium between these two plates is air. It is filled with air. And the distance between the plates is 3 mm. Distance between plates is 3 mm. Area of each plate is given. Area of each plate is given 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. This is the distance between the plates. This is the area of each plate. And the medium between the plates, suppose this is positive plates and this is the negative plates. Medium between the plates is given air. What is the medium between plates? Air. Now we have find the capacitance of this capacitor. That means first of all we have to find the capacitance of the capacitor. After then another part is given. If this capacitor is connected to a 100 volt supply, then what is the charge on each plate of the capacitor? It means when we find the capacitance of the capacitor, after then the supply voltage given 100 volt, and we know that relation between C, Q and V, Q equal to CV. So we can easily find the charge on each plate. But first of all our priority is to find the capacitance of this capacitor. Now using the formula, what is the formula? If area of plate is given and the distance between plate is given, then capacitance of the capacitor, capacitance of the capacitor C is given epsilon naught A by D, where epsilon naught is called permittivity of the free space and its value is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12, and the unit will be Coulomb square per Newton per meter square. This is the epsilon naught and its value is this. It is called free space of permittivity. Area of the plate is given, D is given. Now putting all this value, we find that 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12, and the area of plate is 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 and divided by D. D means distance between the plates, and this is equal to 3 mm. Mm, when it is converted into the meter, it comes 10 to the power minus 3, and when 6 is divided by 3, it comes 2, and by the multiplication of this, what we will find? First of all we solve the power of this term. Here is 10 to the power minus 15, minus 12 and minus 3 minus 15, and 10 to the power minus 3 and goes into the numerator becomes positive. So 10 to the power minus 15, 10 to the power minus 15, and this is plus 3 will becomes minus 12. So we will write here 10 to the power minus 12. And when 8.854 is multiplied by 2, then what comes? 2 into 4, 8. 5 into 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 8 into 16, 16 or 1, 17. 8 to 16 or 1, 17. And the decimal point will be just before 3 digits, that is 17.708. And if we take the answer only 2 decimal point after this, then will 0 becomes 1, because when the third place digit is 5 or more than 5, then we add the 1 in the preceding digits. So then 1 is added to the 0, and it will becomes, how much it becomes? 70.71 into 10 to the power minus 12, and this is the capacitance, so it is written as farad, unit of farad, because in numerical problems unit is a very important when we solve the question. So this will be the farad, or you can also write this in picofarad, 17.71, and 10 to the power minus 12 is called pico, so this is called picofarad. This is the capacitance of the capacitor. Now this is the first part only, and the second part is what? Second part is when this capacitor is connected to the 100 volt supply, then what will be the charge on each plate? And second part is what is the charge on each plate. So C is given 17.71 picofarad, and V is equal to 100 volt. Therefore Q equal to CV. By using this formula, we put the value of C, 17.71 into pico means 10 to the power minus 12, and this is 100. And the unit of charge is coulomb, so it is written as C, coulomb. 10 to the power 100 is written as 10 to the power 2 plus 2, and this is 10 to the power minus 12. So it will become 17.71 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb. Here C for coulomb, COE, coulomb. This is the answer, which will each plate has the charge 17.71 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb, or it can be also written as, when we divide by 10, this will become 1.771, and on multiplication by 10 this power reduces and 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb.